So the second thing that might happen when solving these equations is maybe the log and the exponent aren't all by themselves. Maybe we have to first isolate them. Sure, it's great. I'm going to use the inverse functions to solve these. The inverse of a log is, of course, an exponential with the same base. If this is a log base 3, then I'm going to use an exponent with a base of 3. Exponential function, excuse me, not an exponent, but an exponential function with a base of 3. Well, but first, I have to make sure I get that log all by itself. So I got some clutter over here. I think maybe the first thing I'll do is I'll just subtract 1 from each side, and that's not a big deal. It's almost the exact same problem. And then I look at it, and I'm like, well, you know what? I have a 4 over there. I'm trying to get the log all by itself. And now that it's isolated, there is nothing being multiplied, divided, added, subtracted to that logarithm. It's just a flat-out log base 3 right there. Now I'm going to use that wonderful inverse function. I'm going to rewrite this logarithm as an exponential. The base is 3. The base of my exponential is 3. That exiled number becomes the exponent, and it's just going to be equal to x minus 1. I don't even need a calculator for this one because I know what 3 squared is. And now it's all over but the shouting because I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Bingo. There's my solution. Same thing over here for example 4, though. I have an exponential function. I'm going to change it to a log, but not yet. Why? I have not isolated that exponential function. Before I use the inverse, I have to get that exponent completely by itself. So what might you do first? Well, if I'm trying to do something to get the exponential function all by itself, I know I want to get rid of that 7. Probably want to get rid of that 6 also. How can I get rid of something that's divided? Maybe I'll multiply. Sounds like a good answer. 9 to the x. Now, feel free to pick up your calculator here, because not many of us know that's 168. And I sure hope that's the right answer. I just made that up on the spot. Now, I have no idea what this number is going to be. That exponent is not 9 squared or 9 cubed. So, if you're not sure how to solve an exponential function, rewrite it as a logarithm. And then stop and grab your calculator. And you can use that log base function, or you can even use the change of base formula, because that is going to be the same as log of 168 divided by log of 9. 2.332. That's approximately what it is equal to. That's step 2 in the process. Where could it go from here?